So remember this, moles to grams, you multiply by the molar mass. I know, it's silly, but you're going to remember. So let's try it. We have our moles of water, we multiply by the molar mass. And we find the molar mass by adding up the atomic masses for each element on the periodic table. Here for H2O, this is our molar mass. And look at those units, grams per mole. That's important. So we multiply, moles on top and the bottom, they cancel out, left with grams. We end up with 59.8, the units, grams. So pause and you try it. Moles cancel out, left with grams, we get, that's it. And if you're going from grams to moles, you do the opposite. Divide by the molar mass. Not too bad.